Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we will learn about general health, mental health, or general mentality of individual, and how we can analyze ourselves or our within what are the things which will be bothering us, and how we can overcome for such things. So today we will discuss about that. uh, uh, for example, we will start with the thing which are bothering us. Our life has both the things which are positive as well as negative. So we are when we are positive, we are energetic, we are doing good things in our life. And when we have some negative thoughts of our life in our life, then we will get disturbance in our day to day life, or we will face many negative circumstances in our life. So it is very important to analyze self analyzing. You can come more clear with you with the help of meditation. So meditation is the most important key to improve your life very well. And with the help of meditation you can um, analyze yourself, and you can think about yourself, that what is good in me, what is affecting point of self, or what is bothering things in me. So overall, our mental health plays very important role in our life, to stay happy, to live balanced life. So it is important to analyze self, that which patterns we are following. Are they good for us? Means I am talking about the patterns, which means the peoples who stays around us. So mostly our beloved peoples or dearest peoples, they are not wrong according to their point of view or thinking pattern, but sometimes we are under that thought processes are so much, so that we can't overcome out of it, or we think them as our uh, regular pattern, and we start living, but they are negative things for us. um, so it is very important to analyze self, um, uh, that is this a pattern which I am following, means what is a pattern? It is a thought process, or the way of living, or while analyzing self, you should not criticize others, or you should never be a you should not give any bad words or any bad thoughts for others. You just have to analyze self and improve for self, then only we can live our life with the peace. Because most of the things, what happens, that we either we suffer because of our own self, or we suffer because of others. uh, Second point, I will explain now. When we say we suffer because of others, it means we are uh, sensitive for those things. That sensitivity is present in our own self. That so we reply for others, and means in the negative way I am talking about. So this thing we can overcome with the help of homeopathic medicines, and because that sensitivity is present within you, so you get affected by such things. um, Analyzing self, which things you are highly sensitive, means which is bothering you. Anything is excess is a poisonous, and everything is deficiency is also poison. So we have to maintain this balance to live a happy life. So while analyzing self, we should not criticize other people, because they are living with their own patterns. These peoples would be of some relatives of any other their own beloved people. So we should never bother about others. And if you are unable to overcome by analyzing or with the help of meditation, then we can go for homeopathic good homeopathic physician and share all these things which you are unable to overcome with, and you are living your life as a depressed or a very not satisfying manner. So you should refer to a homeopathic doctor, homeopathic physician. Then with the help of homeopathic medicine, we get balance in our day-to-day life, because it acts on the mind. So this it helps from within. It helps homeopathic medicine helps us to get cure from inside. So and if homeopathic medicines will help you in such a way that we can't even imagine how they changes our life. So we will discuss further slowly about all the mental health and mental analyzing self, how we can do it. So it is very important to read some holy book regularly, to meditate regularly, do yoga regularly, and to eat healthy food. To do equally with the work, we should do relieving things, to give time to our family, to go with friends, to go for a travel with the safe circumstances. So all these things is important to keep a balance in our life, and we can do and we can achieve it if we become regular in the good thing, if we follow good manners and good things. So with the self analysis, it will improve our way of living, and taking homeopathic treatment will improve our life very drastically and very peacefully. So that's what I wanted to tell you about homeopathic medicine, homeopathy. And self analyzing is a primary stage to find out what is affecting us and why it is affecting us, why our cells are getting disturbed, or why our cell function is disturbed. That is a result of our getting hurt by something or some circumstances. So we are not doing in our good or well in our life. So that's what we have to treat in the homeopathy, and we will treat for sure about any kind of illnesses which are not in the end stage. If at all it is in the end stage, we can't help for it because vitality is lost so much. But the physician understand what we can treat, and what we cannot treat. So 90% of the cases or 95% of the cases we are able to treat with homeopathy. So this awareness is very important, to take a homeopathic treatment, to get analyze, self analysis, and concentrate on the self by positive manner, so that we can live healthy, and when we are healthy, our surrounding will stay healthy. So this healthy stage of our life is starts with our own self. It is very important to analyze our own self. Thank you.